Hello guys, today I want us to look at approximation and errors. Approximation and errors is a substrand or a subtopic under measurement. So during measurements we do errors here and there. For instance, a teacher can ask you in a class, how many people did you meet when you were coming to school from your home? You can say you meet 50 people. So you have said 50 people, you are not sure whether it is true it is 50 people you just guessed. You approximated that you met 50 people. 50 is an approximation or an estimation. So an approximation is a value that is not accurate. It is not accurate. Another name for approximation is estimation. So instead of using the word approximation, you can say estimation. We want to look at how to calculate an error. We want us to understand how to calculate an error. But before we get to know how to calculate the errors, we have to understand these terms. So we want to see the terms used in approximation and error. Approximation is a value that is not correct. It is not accurate. That is how we can define an approximation. The second term we have to know is an actual value is a value that is accurate. That a value that is accurate, that's what you call an actual value. For instance, if a teacher asked you what is the length of the width of your classroom, you can easily say maybe it is 12 meters. But when the teacher measures with the tape measure, you will find that the actual length is 13 meters. Okay. But the one you gave is an approximation or approximated value. Now the third term we want to learn is what we call error. What is error? An error is the difference between the approximated value and the actual value. With that information, we can find the formula of finding error. We have to come up with the formula of finding the error of a value. That is the formula of finding error in a value. Error is the approximated value minus the actual value. We can have an example. Example 1. Now we have our example there. The question states grade 9 learners estimated the length of their class to be 11 meters. When the teacher measured with a tape measure, the actual length was 13 meters. Calculate the error the learners made in their estimation. This is very simple. This is how we do it. So we have said error is equals to approximated value or estimated value minus actual value. Yes, we have said error. To find error, we have to say error is equal to approximated value minus actual value. In this case, our approximated value is 11 meters. But what about the actual value? 13 meters. So we can find the error as error is equals to approximated value, which is 11, minus actual value, which is 13. If you subtract, they will find the error as 2. That is the error. We're gonna do the second example. The electoral body approximated that 5,030 people will vote in a polling center. On the day of voting, on the voting day, only 4,030 people voted. Calculate the error. So this is very simple. Here is the solution. We said error is equals to approximated. Error is equal to approximated value minus actual value. Our approximated value is 5030. What about the actual value? Actual value is 4030. So what about the error? What is the error? We said error is equal to approximated value, so that is 530 minus the actual value, which is 4030. The error here will be 1000. Learn us up to that point. I hope you can see that the error can be positive or negative. The first example, the error was negative, but this case now error is positive. When the error is positive, it means that the value that was given earlier, it was overestimated or over approximated. But when the error is negative, it means that the first value was under approximated or it was underestimated. That is our assignment on approximation and errors. Until we meet another time, thank you so much.